Hey there, this is Andrew Rains with Apex Pro, here today to announce another awesome new feature from Apex Pro in the new Apex Pro mobile app. What we're going to cover today are video scrubbing. So you're going to have a video file and a data file associated, and now within the Apex Pro app, you could see those two things synced up. This is a next level feature. The pros use this kind of feature when they're reviewing their data and their video on a race weekend. And now this type of feature will be brought to your fingertips in the Apex Pro app for people who are subscribing to the $10 a month or $100 a year Apex Pro Lap Timer Plus upgrade. So definitely subscribe and check it out. I'll give you a quick tutorial as to how that feature works. So you can either record a video with your iPhone or Android device, your mobile device that's using the Apex Pro app, or with a supported GoPro camera that has Bluetooth. That feature and capability has been explored and tutorialized already. So now if you've got a session linked, a video session linked with a data session, you can go into the data review area and you will see video available. If you tap that area or the icon on the right side of the screen, you will see the video expand and show you the video correlated automatically with the data. So we'll go back to the beginning of the lap here. When I press play, it'll run through at real-time speed so I can watch back my position as well as the video in close to similar to real-time speed so that I can see everything played back as normal. I can still select my data channel for the map view above. I can toggle over to the line chart view so I can see a speed trace associated with my video. So now I can more easily than ever correlate what happens. So great example right here on my speed trace. You can see that it actually starts to taper off at the top of the speed trace. That's because I started catching this MX-5. I wasn't quite fast enough to make a move passing him into the brake zone, so I tuck in behind, so I let off the gas. That's a lot harder to understand when you're just looking at uh, data. You're like, why does my speed trace flatline there? It should continue up because I'm still accelerating. I know I'm on a straightaway. Now with the video, you've got a great explanation and context for that. You can still change the information being displayed to you on the line chart. You can also toggle over to the scatter plot view and see the same thing. Not only can you replay it at real time, but you can also scrub through the lap and the video will follow suit. So you can go down to the min speed in a certain corner. You can correlate that with your scatter plot. So if I go to the min speed in this corner right here, see if I can get it right on it. And then I can see my acceleration. So I'm at lateral 1G, negative 0.4G, pretty close to the edge of the friction circle. You can see I'm on the outside extremity there. So I would say there's maybe a little bit more acceleration to squeeze out of the car. Maybe could have gone back to throttle a little sooner there or something of that nature. But overall, I'd say that's pretty good. So that type of review is now easier than ever before. Going back to the line chart, can do the same thing. I'll keep it on the speed trace. I can go look at my max speed at the end of straightaways, easily see where I'm braking. I can analyze my body language with this view from the GoPro camera, super high resolution video, all sorts of features here that are great. A couple things to note, you cannot overlay multiple laps here. There's not enough screen real estate on just a normal mobile device. Maybe that's something that we'll consider adding in the future. You can't use this in landscape mode. If I rotate to landscape, it'll just knock back to the data review mode. Same reason. You can toggle through multiple laps. So you can select different laps and it'll kind of reset the video to the correct position. So here you can see I'm now sitting on pit road on my out lap there. I can go to this first lap and I can scrub through it and the video will sync up to my data so I can easily understand the video and the data like never before with Apex Pro. This is similar to what you'd see from a SmartyCam or a VBox HD2, which are thousands of dollars now at a very cost-effective price point. Apex Pro Gen 2 hardware is now $489. These features in the Apex Pro app, $100 a year or $10 a month. Check it out. Super stoked. Look for app version 160. That is what this feature will be included in. Data, video scrubbing, in-session review, in your data session review. We're just trying to pack more and more value into that Apex Pro subscription. Really appreciate those of you who are subscribing. That's subscription revenue. That is how we justify making updates and changes and improvements to the app. So really appreciate those of you who contribute to that. If you have not paid the subscription, I would highly urge you to at least give it a shot. You don't have to pay the $100 a year. You can start by paying $10 a month. And $100 a year is actually a discount. If it was $10 a month times 12 months, it'd be $120 a year. We give you $20 off if you commit to the annual version of the subscription. So check that out. Thanks for being a part of the community, and we'll see you at the racetrack.